2019, Las Vegas trip, part 8. Elizabeth. It was time to go home, so my parents had the suitcases while I put myself charged in Bluey. I just felt terrible that I would have had nothing to help with other than being a vestigial figure in an organism. We went to the car and I fell asleep again. Click, click. Huh? What's going on? It was then that I saw that we were already home. I quickly got Bluey out as my mom detached her from the train, though not the loop, since he was too haywire. He didn't seem to mind the loop anymore, though, so it was okay. The most important aspect was that we were home away from the smoke. I took out my phone to log everything that happened on this trip. Bluey. I straightened my legs to hold my stance while Elizabeth ran wildly, causing my backpack to swing. We went into the car without much smoke getting to me, but Elizabeth fell asleep again. Chirp, chirp, chirpity chirp. She was still in the exact same position no matter how much I used my vocals. To pass some time, I worked on my vocabulary again. Bluey, go! Bluey, go! We arrived home, but the chain was still stuck to me, meaning I wasn't free just yet. Elizabeth's mom took it off, but because I had gotten tired of being in the situation, I flew under the table with the loop.